I'm Dan, and this is Jess. Looking back to when we were younger, we had such a strong desire to travel the world and seek adventure. But as we got older, we got hit with the harsh reality of career advancements and mortgages and bill payments. We started to care less about life experiences and focus on material things that didn't really matter. Then in 2013, our lives changed forever. First we had Nolan, then we had Everett, then we had Hannah. We went from the thoughts of adventure and worldwide travel to basic survival. I mean, we couldn't even go to the bathroom alone anymore. As a family of 5, we fell into the typical routine of trying to balance work, school, sports, and everything in between. We did some traveling to all-inclusive resorts, and we did the Disney thing a few times, but that itch for real adventure, it never really got scratched. So we decided to put our house on Airbnb and take a year off and travel together as a family. Then this happened.
Coronavirus.
The virus. COVID-19.
Let's just say things were put on hold. Like so many other families, being trapped in your house with small kids, homeschooling, wearing masks everywhere, and the fear and anxiety caused by a worldwide pandemic really took its toll on us.
I'm gonna lose it.
We did our best to keep our kids happy and entertained, but there was no denying it kinda sucked.
What happened?
Nothing.
What are you doing?
I'm hungry.
Are you allowed to eat cake?
No.
And what happened on the floor?
No, I just pee.
You peed on the floor?
Yeah.
Get out of the fridge, please.
Slowly, the world started to open up again and travel became a possibility. So, our trip is back on. We've rented out our house, taken long-term leave from work, and we have purchased one-way tickets to Bali, Indonesia, and we aren't stopping there. Our goal is to document our journey and show the good, the bad, and the ridiculousness of worldwide travel with 3 small kids. Interested in following along? We'd love to have you.